Hello everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my right, you're looking at one of our new Undercounter freezers. This is going to be a 61-inch Undercounter freezer. Okay, an all stainless steel unit, very good quality. Now, brand on this unit is going to be our own company brand, Cooler Depot. Now, before we get started on more, I want to go ahead and start off with measurements for this unit. We'll give you all the exterior measurements. We'll also measure the inside for you. Okay, starting with the length. It is going to be 61 inches as we had mentioned. So 61 for the length, front to back. You're looking at a total of 31.5 inches of front to back. And the overall height for this unit, you're looking at a total of 38 inches high. Okay, the unit does have casters included already for the unit, so it makes it easier for use. Now, over here in the front, we have our controller. This is going to be our controller. We can set our temperature on the same unit or controller. Also, temperature will be shown on here once the unit is on and running. Okay, now let's go ahead and open up the unit, show you the inside. And on the inside, you will be able to locate shelves. This unit does have 2 shelves, one on each side or each door. You also will be provided with a manual, okay? So if you have any questions or don't know how to use the unit, all the information will be located on that manual. Also on the inside, we have sticker with specs on this unit as well as certification for this freezer, okay? So that will be located on the inside of the unit. Now, inside measurements, front to back, we're looking at 17.5 inches. Left to right, we're looking at a total of 56.5 inches. And the overall height on the inside, we're looking at a total of 25.5 inches high for the inside. Okay, so those are going to be your inside measurements for this freezer. Now, lastly, before we go here, I want to go ahead and show you the back of this unit. And on the back, we'll be able to locate our plug. Okay, so plug will be located on the back of the unit. It is a standard US plug for this unit. Okay, so that's going to be a little demonstration for this 61-inch Undercounter freezer. If you're interested in one of these items, simply go on our website, coolerdepot.usa.com. We'll update more information on the website, including the exact price for this unit. Now, if you have any other questions, you can also give us a call. We'll help you guys out. Thanks for watching.